The component that is used to control refill of the brine tank is the brine control, located on the front of the valve. There are two types of brine controls, a 10-pound and a 19-pound. These control the amount of water fed back to the brine tank to make brine for the next regeneration. The amount of salt to be used can be adjusted with a small screwdriver. Each gallon of water can dissolve 3 pounds of salt, so set the brine controller for the amount of salt to be dissolved. The brine control will then refill the tank with the proper amount of water. To remove the brine controller, simply grasp it with your fingers and unscrew it in a counterclockwise direction. This is how a brine controller works. A rubber ball seats against a rotating set of teeth. As the brine controller is turned up from 3 pounds to 19 pounds, more of the teeth and grooves are exposed. The grooves allow a measured amount of water to flow back into the brine tank during the brine refill cycle of the regeneration. An accurate amount of brine will be produced depending on the regeneration capabilities required for the unit. The rubber ball acts as a pressure regulator, so with any inlet water pressure, the unit will get an accurate flow of water back into the brine tank. If the brine control or ball are dirty or damaged, they should be replaced.